Hey guys, today let's try to germinate tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries. So let's do it. What you'll need is a container, 2.5 cups of water, and a growing kit. You'll also need some tools for digging and stirring. First, put the pellet into the container. Pour the water in. So after a few minutes, you'll see that it's absorbing it. Now let's do this with all the rest. This is for the cucumbers. Now let's put the one for the strawberry. After a few minutes, you'll see that it has gone thicker. Once all of the water is absorbed, you can break it up with a shovel or a fork or any tool. Now let's spread these evenly. There you go, there's the seeds. These seeds are bigger. No, keep my little puppies. The seeds are small. Now, leave this in 20 degrees Celsius and leave it until it grows to at least 4 inches tall before you move it somewhere else. This will take at least about a month to grow. Here it is. Now it's ready to be transferred. Unfortunately, the strawberries have not grown. It seems to be expired. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.